The opportunity arose in 2016. There was a chance to get in at a pretty good lease into a space that had been a laundromat for a long time. And with my dad's background in already having laundromats, it was great to be able to take advantage of that. My dad was, at the time, pretty old school, quarters only, you know, very simple machines, everything like that. About the second or third year in, I realized that I needed to be something a little bit different. I needed to be able to accept credit cards. I needed to be able to have some kind of app pay or something and be able to differentiate myself and my stores from my competition a little bit. And so we looked into the ozone systems, we looked into the soft mount machines, we looked into touch screen and just anything that we could do to be different than the guy down the street that would provide a better wash and a better experience. We did a soft opening with where we did free washers, and just there's no pricing on anything, so they just basically could start a machine if they wanted to. And we just told them, hey, start a machine, enjoy, see what you think. And we got a lot of people really appreciated that, and then I think converted a lot of people immediately that way once they saw the difference. With the Electrolux equipment, they have the automatic water savings where it weighs each load, adjusts the water level accordingly to what is actually being put in here. With the automatic savings, it actually drops the water levels to the appropriate level. So your detergent's maximized during the wash cycle and the rinses are maximized. And it's profit savings for me, but it actually gives them a better wash too at the same time. So it's a win-win situation. So the physical size of the machines dictated what I could put where, more than anything else. The only thing that I knew that I wanted was the front row to be all big stuff, so that the big load stuff was right when you walk in. Customers do like the soap trays on these. Knowing exactly how to put the right amount of soap in here, not overflowing it, has been very beneficial. The touchscreen is really nice. I like how when you select something, you get multiple options, and it's basically asking you if you do want this before you finish. Being able to custom program in things like a bedding sanitize that we use for comforters and stuff like that has been a great game changer. The multiple languages is always convenient for Spanish speaking, anything. I have so many more compliments here about how clean their clothes come out, smelling, feeling, and how quick it is. We get repetitive customers coming in saying, hey, this is amazing. This is far above and beyond all my competition everywhere else I've been. Undoubtedly, we get an edge simply because of the easy to use machines with touchscreen, having all those different wash options. People really enjoy that. Having the app pay, but the 450G machines provide a better wash by far. And customers really notice the difference between their clothes here and everywhere else.